We have got an exciting new update to share today. Firm defaults. This has been a very popular request from many customers and it has arrived. So let me show you the first set of changes related to firm defaults, and then I'm going to show you how you can apply those firm defaults to an individual client. If you are an admin user, you will notice the gear icon now looks a little bit different when you click it. Previously, there were a few different options in here. We have consolidated all under the firm defaults option. Once you go under the firm defaults, you can enable two-factor authentication. This is at the firm level, not at the individual user level. So at the firm level, we recommend you really actually should have this enabled. I'm going to enable it right now for us. Minimum acceptable score. So you can set your minimum acceptable score. If you want to enable our recent update, allowing solo reviews, that can be enabled here. And then we have default test rules. So these are all of the test rule settings that can be configured at a firm level. So every single new client that you add to the system will get these defaults. They will be pushed down universally. You can set them however you want. You can set the comparison here and then save that default configuration. Now, if we come back out here and let's jump into a client, when we go over to the test rules on the right-hand side and click on that, there's a new button, Reset to Firm Defaults. So if you want to apply those firm defaults to an existing client, you can simply click this button. It's going to let you know, hey, this is going to overwrite all of your test rules. I understand, reset to firm defaults. And now those defaults have been applied. I'm just going to scroll down here and you'll see this is now 1,500. Previously, that was 1,000. So now we've set firm defaults at the firm level, which will apply to all brand new clients. And we've gone to an individual client and we have reset the test rule settings for that client to the defaults. So really excited to share this with everybody. It is live. Go in there, play with it, give us your feedback, tell us how much you love it, or tell us what you think we could do to improve it. Love to hear from you. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye.